Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hiya, morning. Wednesday morning. Greetings from the Republic of Ireland. Greet you all. How are you guys doing? Morning to everybody. Social media, Facebook page theft is on the rampart now. Like just many, especially if you trust people like Visedigi, Naija Watch to help you back up your page. You see him, maybe you see him as your fellow Edo man, fellow Edo brother, or Edo friend. You say, my brother, as a blogger, I know you must have known, a bit of all this page and the rest. You confide in him, you trust him. The guy now finally have access to your Facebook page. He's a man that love money so much. We have seen what he did to a sister in Paris, sort of water ministry. The lady trusted him. She said he need a YouTube channel. As for me, somebody approached me and said, he want to, he doesn't know how to set up a YouTube channel. I will put the person through of how to do it. That's it. And then I'll leave you to it. Okay? Your channel does not need any servicing every month. You don't have to service it. It's not a car. It's not a bicycle. It's not a whatever, Marwa that you have to service. So I don't need any money from you to help you do anything there at all. It's something you can do on your own. It's not a rocket science. I will put you through as a fellow adult person. I will not collect a dime from you. This Visedigi Naija Watch was collecting 100,000 naira from this lady every month. Every goddamn month. Every blessed month. Collecting money from her. As if that were not enough. He asked the lady for a loan of 600,000 naira. Let me say about 1,000 euro now. Hereabout. Okay? The lady borrowed him the money. And later on, the lady finally just, let go of the money. He dashed him the money at last. He said, take. I dashed him. Can you believe at the end of everything? Because the lady gave Naija Watch access to our Facebook page as well that she will use it. In fact, that YouTube is different now. Well, the lady gave Naija Watch access to our own Facebook page. Naija Watch went to our messenger, collected. Ebisedigi collect the lady private conversation with other people, all the audio that were there. He collected everything and started playing it on social media. In the name of debunking. I don't know what you were debunking. Because the lady said she should pay you 100,000, which you confirmed. She said she gave you 600,000. She dashed you 600,000, which you confirmed. So what were you debunking at the end? So Naija Watch, because he have access to that lady Facebook page, he went ahead and collected private audios and started playing it on social media. Exactly what he did to Prophet New Generation Atiti, another Edo brother that confided in him, that trusted him, that called him as an Edo man, say, please help me to my Facebook page. I'm be restricted several times. Maybe he posted things that goes against Facebook community standard. According to Prophet Atiti, say somebody will recommend Naija Watch, send him to Naija Watch. You know, and as a donor, you just trust him and say, oh yeah, now. When this ladies in Paris issue came up on social media, the way Atiti corrected, you know, he advised Elvis Edigin, which is Naija Watch, you know, as an Edoma. Because of that, and Naija Watch now have access to Atiti Facebook page. All right? Naija Watch was so hungry, Elvis Edigin was so hungry, was so mad with Prophet Atiti. He went ahead and logged Atiti out of the page. He eventually stole the page. Now we have thief, Facebook thief, Facebook page thief, people that stole people's pages are inside a cyberspace. The only person we can call out so far is Elvis Edigin. It's not shameful and disgraceful to him that a man of his caliber that claimed to be a graduate, that claimed to be learned, that should go about stealing people's Facebook page. What is page? What is Facebook page? Just tell me. When human being that God created can die, what is page? Why do you want to useless your son name Edigin because of a Facebook page? Does it worth it? Your integrity, if you even have one, you want to use your hand to tarnish it because of a common, for me it's a common Facebook, it's nothing. Because you can easily create 100 a day if you want to. It doesn't matter how long it takes you to whatever. What are you building of page? If you have your content, your viewers will come. There are people that doesn't even go live. They just recorded their content and put it there. This family, the McCall, they have a girl, twins girls and a boy. They have 3.something million followers on Facebook. 3.something million. If you look at their content, very simple content, simple, with their children and, you know, simple thing. Pre-recorded, edited them, they put it there. You know, there are just, even Naija Watch have been on social. Naija Watch does not even have 500,000 followers on his own personal Facebook page that he run when they run. He no get 500. If you not say you be Papa one Gabi, you be Kinikon for this cyber business. How many followers do you have? How many followers can you push to yourself? How many viewers can you? You don't go live one day, you can't get 2005 for Facebook. You don't hit them. You don't hit 5K. So you are still a learner, Edigin. As I say, don't talk to criminal and say now people page now you the thief. That one I did shame from past. It's a disgrace in your part. I'm telling you this. We're not the quarrel. Or it's shameful. You should bury your head. You should bury your head in shame. In all this nonsense. Why will you put yourself in all this rubbish? Why? Me too want more here. Allah. Few years ago I was looking, Naija Watch. I was thinking, me I want more here. Me may do what we say, we might care you what. Can you imagine? Can you see all those top bloggers in Nigeria that have base in Nigeria? Why to do bloggers? Can you see them stealing people's Facebook pages? We are here. Any I drop a video, you are in 5 minutes. Your page na hot kick. Yo, can you move with Facebook? Episode again. Can you move Zuzu again? Can you move with Facebook? You have a go with YouTube. Can you move because everyone will ask you that they now come to realize where why you direct Goma na so in Naija Watch that the picture man your toy YouTube. You direct Goma so You just assume. Oh yeah, only me picture the audio, a video, what we gave and I made the total. Only la live video. It's that guy soon. Only guy will saga odo. Every side giyamu. Ono pa we wodo. A video do. Boy, ye wa amuno. Or amuno. Or ya make it go YouTube. Can you come out and swear with your children every side gig? Who were the video man where make it go YouTube? Who were ya fe go we pay now? Who were now all of them, now you get agreement with where you pay. You give them money for their content. Whether na audio, na video, don't you when you can be a vampire. Yeah, even most of them, if you will take permission from that papa, okay, you can't pay them. Say you give them money. Say you pay those people before you just start, they carry their content left, right, and center. Those people, no, they don't do you bad. And yeah, man, we bad. Ma o vie doing wage, no trust we. Wo him we. Oh, when I see ave when I gbogbo ni alaje ni ado different way. You cannot take your head out of this. You should cover your head. It's a shame. Oh, we ga again ni go ma take buwe. We are go to lem we am video after send we mu ye ba. We are go to lem we am yin. We are taking money video for what? Why go mo because we beg anywhere above our any. Or yeah, to them. That is why you rushed and deleted that video. But like I deleted video. You should be ashamed of yourself. As so that you can go to the length of stealing. Because it can go with Facebook. You know, if I social media in general, you cannot pull a crowd. Naija watch. You can't. A page where I run where I laugh, I go with 14 viewer, 10 viewer. Well, mama say anybody with social media, papa. You can't pull a crowd. It can't go with Facebook way. You are looking for other people. Other my page and my bridge now. You are a criminal. Mota. Mon journey. On mon don. On mon don. We may okay, not be say you over help the woman create a new fresh YouTube channel. You give her. You can't collect the 100,000 for some time. You can't still live on. Oh, when you have to go the YouTube channel, you have to pay 100,000 every month. I know you want to. You like money too much. I want jogging. Oh, if somebody who approach you say, I beg, let me open your YouTube channel. You say, madam, you go give me, you know, this is what I'm for, you know, I take oh, ma, you know, whoever card you know, cash, here. You give the woman all her details. Tell her to go and change her password and deal with her YouTube channel herself. You be collecting 100,000 naira every goddamn month. When we are servicing YouTube channel and you say you were trying to test her. You not get wife. You said the woman they make money. I said may your wife go open sugar and pepper ministry. Well, however I get sugar and pepper. No, yeah, amigo. This is what we go over. Now people put money on one. Now where would you emire ojana mia? Everything no you digging no Naija watch you over. Tell your wife or your baby mama, may she go open pepper and sugar ministry. No, yeah, amigo. So that you will get YouTube channel and service every month. Yeah, the smell. And she was making money. I think she was making up to 90,000 every month. Hey, yeah. You don't get wife. If not stay money there, well, no, however, you came ministry. No, yeah, big up. You say, not borrow we go. Mammy, no borrow we go. Una no borrow we go. A ministry where do our tears come last. Una no borrow 600,000. Umagi ne never go. Umaka me we I beg no dash me this money. I don't want her. Yeah. Since we ministry you go to against coming. No, I beg I know this. You not fit dash me, madam. No, you can't dash me. You must collect your money back. I can't sing here transfer. You not get an account number. You have account okay. You know 600,000. You not if you. You still went ahead, the YouTube channel no viere from scratch near. Honor your video, you build. And most of our old videos are calling to her. She cannot even look for them anymore. She can't go back and share old videos anymore. You did send it to her. You hide some of her video and you deleted almost her video. The same thing with Atiti. Una la page over una duamu, una ya deleted video re no rewa. Una fieni we ye no no re buwe. I don't want that when in Paris. Everybody deleted video YouTube channel. You are evil person. And evil shall befall you for the rest of your life. Man like it be ma with wanashi. Emani we evil. What if Facebook in I? When no man so ka beg ite wa do e je teri o hitebo. Woro. O ma na gbonu salo bo aji yewu. Ma we Facebook keka. No last year, 25th of August, yeah, date in it. A Facebook or what happened, Iyore is there. It's useless there. Nonsense. How can your brother trust you? You are there. Listen. Anybody, if you use anybody as an admin, that person can log you out. He can also deactivate the account, the page. Because he have access to that page. You are a wicked soul, and we said again. A good one, eh? Why is your board do you in the name where you guys want to be rich? EV or MYV, take a stroke, or you cannot even enjoy the money. You can't enjoy the money. Man, you got to send me and you the quarrel now. Don't be quarrel, my brother. I'm telling you the fact, gospel truth. Now. You go now, no. Even the 10 commandments on a year church name. That shall not steal. Me like on borrow some ra. Borrow post some say. When you borrow here 600,000, they what is here? This way, if you want my down, you know, because you got my down, what you by me, I go my way. On where you take when I go my down. No, you know it, I know not you get by me, you will never know progress. Naija watch. Oh no, when me down, or how am I begging you? So no bug away. You are a very terrible human being. Oh, we don't fight well on social media. You didn't see this coming. You disgrace yourself. Oh, shock where? Yeah, you were caught red-handed. You were caught red-handed. Okay, you're a parish, you were able to manipulate, yourself. You were able to put yourself, But man, you beg away. We see through you. From Uriana, what done. Ima beg we born, you won't mercy. All attitude we wow now, always sanekere also some way. Oh now, tagbona wala we. Now you are running eta scatter. You know, Timani Seponi. You are not running eta as scatter, trying to save your head from the shame. Now lie. Why are you shaming na sisokuto ya sagbada? So muja wo. O ya ti Atiti no gwalonu wene. Even no gwalonu wene. Oh, when Atiti large, I no do apologize. And Naija was all do a page or more do apologize. I go when Naija would that way error on your Facebook. What's an error to the email? What? Yeah, this smell. I want you. Now, Naija watch a piece of a those about space in every face a social media now. You are now causing another problem again. Now, the Facebook, you might even hear we do well. We do equation right here. All the problem in nana. On our finya on a finya name Facebook page keka. Cause keka no, I go here. You can open it. If Bazuka beg you here, he's making his own money in his own way. But we are here care about Facebook carry no we won't kind of pay so some money in it. You know? So what is there? That we used to just tarnish your name and your image. I do an image about because about to kind of tie any a bone. I won't done him. I won't done him. Gele is playing out. Oh, when you die, you can't hide. God will surely expose you. God will surely expose you. You want to make the money by fire, by all means on social media. And in Naija, what you go back a page here. Why give money anybody don't sell that in future? And no sooner woman I am one why go why arrange a page why via your body. Why man who pen was so that who be a gag you are because they two were heavy. When in the matter now, when the all your Europe and this soon. All prophet Atiti no soon na man all way so that in future. My ya where I mean social media I go la way ya your yek. Woman you know ya one where go wale when why ko that me no what you are as an admin. You can remove him. Remove him as an admin. Again you have access. Anybody you email address or her your back page way up. Don't do that. Anybody warning when or email address or her. My man, a Facebook I can email where email address or here or ye. And when your woman password to that email, you don't have access to it. You are putting it in yourself. And we are guy, we were mutia or ya umwe or who a concealer or the total allow video. That video with saga if you are a follower, a 3 years back, 2 years back, 3 years, 4 years back. Well, okay, I don't get any followers for my Facebook page. Why we don't okay, you're ready, Naija watch or do page or do I? You can't do anything about it. You can't. Because it is here or so I know on an sununa why I am one. Atiti go social media on a new page. Best of new generation on a new page of it. Ayaya go. A man like a page in it. A man will follow in it. At or hand. Or be a page on my mini where top way Facebook or you do Facebook. I mean all what all you type. Then they have us no you one no for a conny or ye no. So I wonder and if you were you rather than to come and disgrace your son name Edigi or we don't disgrace Elvis or don't disgrace your social media. That is all you succeeded in doing, disgracing and humiliating yourself. Because the person who will do a page in on a page of any on a page of no life. You know, not that you block him off Facebook. You are making using Facebook. You can't do that. Thank God. You know, you should be ashamed of yourself. You are a criminal.
Você